My Bathroom by Scarlet Oak. Let's repeat the words. Toothpaste, bath, mirror, hairbrush, toilet, soap, towel, toothbrush, to wash, comb, toilet paper, shower. Now let's read. Toothpaste, bath, mirror, hairbrush, toilet, soap, towel, toothbrush, to wash, comb, toilet paper, shower. Let's read. Să citim. I have a bath in my bathroom. Am o cadă în baia mea. I have a hairbrush in my bathroom. I have a mirror in my bathroom. I have a shower in my bathroom. Poți găsi o hârtie igienică în baia mea. You can find a toilet paper in my bathroom. Poți găsi o pastă de dinți în baia mea. You can find a toothpaste in my bathroom. Poți găsi o toaletă în baia mea. You can find a toilet in my bathroom. Este o cadă în baia mea. There is a bath in my bathroom. Este un duș în baia mea. There is a shower in my bathroom. Sunt 4 prosoape în baia mea. There are 4 towels in my bathroom. Sunt 4 săpunuri în baia mea. There are 4 soaps in my bathroom. Sunt 4 periuțe de dinți în baia mea. There are 4 toothbrushes in my bathroom. I wash my hands in the bathroom. I am washing hands. Eu mă spăl pe mâini. I am washing hands. I am washing hands. I am washing hands. We, noi. We are washing hands. 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 He, el. He is washing hands. He is washing hands. He is washing hands. He is washing hands. She, is washing hands. She is washing hands. She is washing hands. She is washing hands. What is in your bathroom? Ce este în baia ta? Este o oglindă în baia mea. There is a mirror in my bathroom. Poți găsi o perie de păr în baia mea. You can find a hairbrush in my bathroom. Sunt 4 prosoape în baia mea. There are 4 towels in my bathroom. Eu am un duș în baia mea. I have a shower in my bathroom.